Hi, and thanks for your interest in this video. When my wife and I retired, we lived in New York City for 15 years before moving to North Carolina. But we still get back to New York often. And coming up, Wendy's going to introduce you to one of the places we always like to visit in Central Park.
Nestled in the heart of New York City, Gapstow Bridge in Central Park is one of the most iconic and picturesque landmarks in the city. With its timeless charm and sweeping views of the Manhattan skyline, this historic bridge has captivated visitors for generations, making it one of the best photo spots in Central Park. Originally built in 1874 and later reconstructed in 1896 with elegant stone arches, Gapstow Bridge history is rich with architectural beauty. As one of the most famous bridges in Central Park, it offers scenic views year-round, from vibrant autumn foliage to the enchanting sight of Gapstow Bridge winter snow. This romantic spot in Central Park is not just a favorite for couples, but also for Hollywood filmmakers. The bridge has appeared in several beloved movies, including Sweet Charity, Home Alone 2, The Devil Wears Prada, and Cruel Intentions, cementing its status as a cinematic icon. For those seeking hidden gems in Central Park, Gapstow Bridge is a must-see. Whether for Central Park sightseeing NYC or simply soaking in its beauty, this bridge remains a timeless treasure in the city's urban oasis.